Flexor still didn't work for watering. Not as bad, but we've got maybe about half an inch of water in here, so that's not gonna work. This is 5/25/19. You have a wonderful day. Hopefully you find this interesting, and don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell. But yeah, Flexor still don't work on that type of stuff, I guess. It maybe slowed it down a little bit, but that's pretty much all it's done. Okay. This right here is our weather station. That's another one. That's solar panel. We'll be repairing that soon because the solar panel got cracked. So it's low battery, so it's not transmitting right. This shed right here, full of cameras all around it. We got multiple cameras throughout the property. Yeah, we got cameras around this guest. We call it grandma's house. This sounds the tornado dog pen. This our place and stuff. That's Boxster Computer Repair Shop right there.